Hey traders, welcome back. It is Monday, August the 9th, 2021. I know it's been a while since I've touched base with you guys, but I wanted to touch base with you today. And it's not really about making money in the marketplace. It's just a thought that I had driving my family out from Salt Lake City to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. We stayed overnight last night in Butte, Montana, and drove the rest of the way today. And had a nice day. As you can see here, had about a $5,000 day, but that's not really the point of the post here today. I just wanted to kind of share a thought on trading. Trading I think is an opportunity that is way before its time. 20 years ago, 30 years ago, I was enthralled by this idea of trading for a living, or trading for cash flow, or making money by trading, or using trading as a career, whatever you want to call it. But it was always sort of built in a way that it was built around money. Look how many trillions of dollars you can make trading. Look how rich you can get trading. Look how much money you can put in your pocket trading. You'll never be able to make as much money in a career or a job as you could ever make trading. It was money, 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 money. And for me, that was never really the main driver that made me interested in trading. It was a couple of things. Number one was the fact that I didn't really care how much money I made. Even if it was $100, to me it was additive to what I was already doing. That was the big thing, was that trading wasn't a career where it was all or nothing, where I had to go quit my day job in order to do it. It was something that would dovetail with almost any job that you had out there. And so, even again, if I made $100, it was $100 that I wouldn't have otherwise had. It was additive, whatever I was able to bring in on trading. I was always excited about that concept. And the other thing that really I don't think people got the power of until this pandemic hit was this idea that you could create a income stream that was not geographically tied to anything. And that just really hit home for me these last couple of days. And I wanted to show you today's trading, because basically my whole day today was spent driving from Butte, Montana to here, to this beautiful house that we rented in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, on the water, that we're going to be boating on for the next week. This will be my office view for the next week, which is it's astounding. It's just absolutely beautiful here. And I thought about what is it that allowed me to do this, and it's trading. It's having the ability to be able to do something that is not geographically tied. So I just wanted to touch on my trading activity for today. Talk about the power of ZTEs, zero day to expiration trading. You can see that there's a lot of activity here, but the main two trades that brought in the money today was an SPX trade and a Russell trade. Now, if I look at my history tab here, we go look at the history tab for today. Let's go back from yesterday to today, and let's look here. Let's look at today's trading, and let's look at that Russell trade. I want to pull the Russell trade out of the picture there, because you can see that the Russell trade was worth about $3,000 of that profit. That was also about a $38,000 trade, something along those lines. So let's just forget about the Russell for just a second, and let's look at the SPX trade for today. Now, the SPX trade brought in about $1,100 gross, about $1,000 net, okay? And I started this trade this morning when we were still in the hotel room in Butte, and it was, somebody's jumping in the swimming pool. It was about a half hour after the market opened up. We got the call leg in. About 10 or 15 minutes later, we got the put leg in on that. And it took a couple of shots there to get that filled. But you can see I got the calls in and I got the puts in there. And so, that's not a lot of time. I spent about a half hour letting the market open up, getting a sense for the market direction, and then I spent about 10 minutes getting everything executed there. And then I did something that I love to do, especially when I am going to be away from the computer, and that's what I was as I was driving most of the day today. And that's just set an automatic take profit level. So like I'll take my iron condor here on BA for example. Let's say that I wanted to close that. I could close it at a percentage profit. I could go target, you know, what percentage profit I wanted to hit. And that's exactly what I did here with my, oh, they're getting loud. That is exactly what I did here with my SPX trade. This was a $13,000 trade that brought in $2,000 of premium. And I was able to basically set a target on here to get out at a 55% take profit. You can see while I was driving there, a couple of hours after we were up and running, 10:22, so the difference between 8 a.m. and basically 10:30, a couple, 2.5 hours or so, and it executed me out. It got me out at $1,000 profit, and $1,000 profit on the day for one trade. It makes me feel a lot better when I hit those gas stations and putting 55 gallons into my pickup truck and 65 gallons of $4 gasoline into my boat. It's just a little bit easier to sort of go throughout your day when you know you got $1,000 already in the bank. So that's just kind of my thought for today, guys. You know, trading is something that I think all of us should at least be somewhat serious about, because it is additive to whatever you're currently doing. You know, you don't have to replace your day job. You don't have to leave your day job to do it. And it's not geographically tied. I have the ability to be here in these beautiful, beautiful surroundings here for the next week. And the reason is because I'm not taking off work. I'm going to be working all week long here trading. Just wanted to share that thought with you guys. Again, hope your trading is going well. If you ever are interested or want to learn more about our 0 DTE trading, I'll drop a link here in this video, and you guys can come have a week free trial to check out our live trading.